Sekuva ngosikhini.
Sawubonani Mahlabezulu. Indaba zifundwa ngenkosi izilo oba Nyathi. It's been a minute, but manje we killing it. What's up, my nigga?
What's up, Baba?
Come on, brother.
Nothing much, Baba.
It's been a minute, Njaya.
It's good to see you, man.
It's Jay.
It's good to see you again.
Jay. I've been soul searching in vacation. But you know, like vacation, it's not really vacation. As I'm saying, I wouldn't send this family over.
Ngiyabona ngathi agcwele sabala lo.
Laba denkhoni yogathi bingasikho umntwana.
My usidli purity vanilla flavor. My
AJ
ngiyabona ugreen.
Yeah, ngimnandi
Yezo baba.
Wena manje bathi
Nothing much. It's a new year, man. It's a new year.
It's like every time mawumnyaka umuntu uqala uzababona sebeqala ngama new me. This year I'm doing me.
Everything about me.
When another door closes, another opens. But then I never believed in that from the start. I mean, I always felt like in New Year it would here we go again.
Yeah.
And I just have to work on being the better version of me. Than what you can change my standards all the time. We are born with you go my dog.
Always creating, but you don't accomplish.
Exactly. Yeah. So like if you know Kalumiaga, I siba mdala futhi.
My
so now mina sengani sensiya sengani ngiphuma ku Buddha's level sensiya ku malume.
Malume Nkosi. Ukhona umalume. Bezijwayele.
I'm saying my responsibility and that's impilo, but I can say with mentally I feel okay. Like I made peace into his name.
Yeah.
Accepted into his name. But usually we don't talk about into like this because ngawutshela mina lapha engiwiki khona you use it against me.
Don't judge.
Exactly. Judge Judy. Judge Matthias.
Phila lawo.
Abantu babe yabubamba ikasi ngegossip. Kuthiwa ama-gossip kings and queens. Ama-pioneers. Alezithombe David Livingstone.
Ama-street abizwa ngawo.
Right? So it's nice ukuthi uke uphume on the scene and just focus on yourself.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, mental health iqhakathekile, especially ku generation le.
Yeah, that's true.
Wonke umuntu kala mali. But awukwazi ulala ungadlali. Yabo? Amanye ama blessings yawathi kuthina ukucomplain. Izobaba mfili. Ndoda every time ungena utabona ukudla
lapha kule awubheka.
Jay. Jay. I think ingane bangiweya. Bakuweya. Wakulala phansi, ulala embhedeni wena. Ngapha ulenze ebhedile zane zichaya emhlanje.
Yeah.
La usuphuma ezinye inwele kwamanye amakhono sokhawunti hayi lo seguga lo. Wabona uphuma inwele endlebeni wena.
Ngama filter endlebeni.
Wabona ama situation anjalo my nigga. Ikwabubona khona Jay. So to take a step back, I feel like it's necessary. It's necessary ngoba at the end of the day akula mpilo yendoda engelapheli. Ungabona ungaza ukuchayisa ngale pain, hayi
awukaphili.
Yabuya. At some point you have to face some fears akho. At some point you have to accept ama mistake akho
and know your weaknesses. Acknowledge them.
Ngapho mina ufuna Brazilian.
Yeah.
Peruvian. Nje ama-Peruvian ndoda kunasitshe endlini. Ngikhuluma kahle. So it's one of those things, my dog.
Yeah.
You just have to keeping on. You know. Ngoba yikho vele uqhathile at the end of the day. Wena injani ikhisimusi?
Brian abe grand. Ayibona ngesipana. Hayi sibana abe kufika ndoda. It's been a hell of a
Fun,
holiday.
Hey!
Yeah, my aeroplanes.
Put your hands up. Yabula sisi abaningi.
Yeah,
Jama tight mfana ngingani ngesiyoga yena wengena njengomaster we-kung fu. Wonke umuntu abemkhanyele ngamehlo aglad. I feel like these guys, but they control like lezana ezijimisayo indlela abafazi abahlonipha ngayo nje respect uzofisa ukuthi ejela ngoba uyajimisa was awula uyajimisa because ngafika ethi put your hands down faka ikhanda phansi amfuna into ezinjalo bethi ukhe offended bro abazondi nje kuyaflowa kodwa kuzame wena nje kuzame wena ihambela la ngomama I feel like ngani sefuna rough lami I don't feel safe, you know, even sisendlini izobusuku befake ngaphansi komqamelo sizofaka lamanga Jay. So I feel like it's necessary.
Yeah, but well, it's a good thing to do.
Yeah,
going to the gym. I don't think we problem, and I think it also helps. I think with your mental health, as you mentioned before. Sometimes there's the different ways that we process situations or respond to situations. When you just need a punching bag, when you do out of a spouse, yeah, even if it's a girl child or they just want to exhale at a safe place, or just a place away from home. So I think it's one of the things that help a lot, and even to the other gender, just to relieve stress.
Yeah,
I think gym is a good tool. That's why they respect us.
Even I didn't have a respect because we fully powered. I but Jay, I want to intro my guy. Remember lava Jay. Babe chama kufika lando. At that time when intenda lapho is just a danda. Kila kula makhona amaningi.
Ispan sakho ngirigalia yespan Brian.
Jay.
Ngirigalia yespan wami.
I think isikala zeqhuba ivaseline ngoba zabe sixazimula ingane izigena. Ngane izigena eringini lapho nize wrestling lesiyana kwamo kuthiwa ngobani yabo Batista. Jay. So it's change. Okay, sorry man, Shombege. Welcome to the Blockchain Podcast. That is episode 19.
Episode 19.
Episode 19.
Oh, yeah.
We made it. 2026. 2026 is a different time, my guy.
Yeah.
Sesitshintshile ama settings. Ungabe yokwesiyesu ngezwe empama sokuxoza indenda.
Yes.
Into ezinjalo.
Efana naleyo.
Indlela ukhosi akukhayele ngayo nje.
Ukhosi ngale interview yalo kyalo wane interrogate ukuthi
So ndingamehlo akathi sama ngabugqoka ishirt. Yazi
yini?
Lale ukuthi awuthi amehlo amakhulu umuntu athi ejeka uzangobona 20 rand ezinchela lapho uthi ayibonanga. Awubonanga? Abahlangaka. Tobakhona hayi indlela onjeke ngayo ngalo
Umuzi eceleni ngapha yokugwaza
ayefumula
selikuthi gondo
eye to eye my
I think name Chachi ama comments about Jimisa the proper seriously
look nsondile
like seriously and the moment the moment you come is the clean there's a SP yeah
tshela ngento yakho ngakutshela akushaya
shaya abantu babakamela
shaya but sengishaya
mina ngitshela ukuthi indoda ngiyangena kwenye situation to what to match day 8 ka 1
afika ka 1
afika wathi ha abonti lapho the only way ukuphuma ukuthi ngacha 2 omunye ethe kuyani umblock yona nxa beka ngapha sebenzisela iphushela ngayo
wachayelwana
yabo because indlela ababuya ngayo maye yabona ukuthi mina fast I'm fast yangithi ebuyo uqala ngambamba ngamfaka eceleni isiphungule siyandi ni tactic lami ukuthatha ngudonsa
andithi ziqinile
konke ebuyo alona ngamthi ikopo temshaya ikopo esiyalenda ngangigqiba lana imgonqa la esiyalenda ikopo phansi maye lokhu zambula endololwana emtha umhlathi imdisconnect lwana omunye sithi wabuya ngapha ngimbamba isandla ngimchanga lwana nga eje
vele flying phe umaskiri inkosi wemaskiri
kulapha ngisidembe khona yabona igalaundi yami na i-fucked up
ingozi
too quick ume weather lwa ngamenzela izitayi swift imtshele ngalifuna
imbesimbili.
So this is that episode where we are just, you know,
I show speed.
we are
Yes, I show speed. Yes,
I wonder my job. We just socializing with Amachita. It's been a minute and it's nice with you. Now Kaila around want how much it's up for you.
yes.
Even when it's a cookie. I was born in Baraki Pilapam. Why ngani yasakara
Uyehluleke lokumbuza.
mbone phela phambi kwabo umngani wakho nje
Bese uhlala umthengela amakhewu.
ngama
Zamu.
nje hamba akhipha izinyo phela mundi yani actually
Awudani nje.
Dante ngifika lapha mina nje lapha futhi nxa usiyakhipha izinyo bafika lokuthi serious ante abakubuza into eziningi ngale ndoda ngifika test igazi bahle ban test HIV ngingakaanze ngithola le chance okuyala uthi hayi
Abakubuza.
ayinganywa yabo banjuma nje cha ngithi maybe sokuphelile fika ngale mama ngenza kwenye room ngothi uchamele egabheni kipipipi manje mfana ngithi ngiyachama ungabuye emchama ngizama ukuphuma ngani ngiyafike khona niphenduke lapha nomunye umdala ngena tra even nomunye umdala echama nzima wangiqalela bra ungabuya nje eventually
Ayewenzani?
ngicona ngikwanisile I gathered the courage ngathi cha chamele egabheni ngokumu chama ngani
Apple juice.
yala
100% yeah.
fika ngubhawisi so ayimuhle njani nje sisilwana emuhle nje umntwana wamkhaya
Apple juice.
usebenza emchamweni
Why uyamukela imchamo yamadoda?
why are they doing this to you yabona nje ngigalami ngicela ukuthi uma sister bana hello right hayi right ngisimana yabona thenza kuqala uma sister lona mina ngitshela ukuthi sokunjani sokuthi lokho manje ngiyaphuma ukuthi hamba ngale testwa iBP yabona member yami iBP member yami iBP is a big thing abakukhipha izinto nxa uyitesta because chances are bathi belibamba izinto yethu
iBP qanzi.
uchaye throat ifana yabo and then it got me thinking my dog ukuthi kulezinye izinto okade ukhule ulapho singakukhipha uphume iyusakhe ngasekho but umuntu is one thing in friendship is one thing okwazi ukuthi angeke ukhiphe especially if it's genuine.
Yeah, that's true.
Yabo
Yeah.
hayi enye into nje yakwazi nje I know for sure ukuthi amajensa yes of course you can go away uhambe ezweni whatever or whatever
Umsezweni mntana.
Yeah, ngiyambona buka yazi uyambona nje yabona
Very UK.
obvious
nje
buka.
I wanna make into detail about it but I pretty good time.
Oh yeah.
You were showing speed.
Yeah.
I was showing them speed, mind. Yes.
Hi. Yeah, good. How about the fresh ntwana?
Thanks, my dog.
It's good to see you again.
It's nice.
It's good to
It's
see you
nice.
again.
It's nice to see you again.
Yeah.
As well. Awuna welungu nje kwakwenza kwaba nzima, yeah. The fact that kulama amabali yawumuntu wa translate from Israel to isiNdebele.
Ucabanga ngesindebele.
Cabanga ngesindebele.
Yeah, awenzile umkhulumi isibili.
Yabona?
yeah, vele i-subject ke kahle kahle, that's why
Because I feel like isilungu siya express amabala amaningi, amabala
Ukudlula-
ahlukeneyo,
ukudlula isintu.
i-emotion eyi-wide. Yabo? Ngena singabona uJoy ebhalwe ngenye version, ubona uJoy ebhalwe ngenye version, but